See in 100 seconds, linked list traversal. Same node struct and create node helper from the last 2 episodes. This time we focus on 3 ways to walk the list: count, search, and get by index. Watch print list on line 16. The basic traversal pattern. Start at head, print each node, follow next until nel L. Every operation we write today uses this same loop. See count nodes on line 25. Same while loop, but instead of printing, we increment a counter on line 29. When the loop ends, count holds the total number of nodes. Watch search on line 35. See the if check on line 39. When C arrow data matches the value, we return the current index. If we reach nel without a match, we return -1. Notice the return -1 on line 45. That is the convention for not found. The caller checks the return value to know if the search succeeded. See get at on line 48. This one uses a for loop instead of while. We advance exactly index times. Watch line 50. The loop stops early if we hit new L, preventing a crash on bad indexes. Now in main, on line 65, we build a for-node list, 10, 20, 30, 40, all chained through next pointers. Watch the test calls, count nodes on line 74, search for 30 and 99 on lines 76 and 77, then get at index 0 and 2. See the output? Count is 4. Search 30 is at index 2. Search 99 returns -1. Get index 0 is 10. Get index 2 is 30. 3 traversal patterns. 1 underlying loop. Next up, doubly linked lists.